So today we'll be preparing custard. So you add some drops of water till the powder gets to the consistency that's required by stirring generously. The brand of choice is Checkers. You can check that up at any shopping mall close to you. Stir generously. So this is our perfect consistency. And by now your water should be boiling at least 200 degrees Celsius. Then you pour in the boiled water as we usually make a pap for babies. And at this stage it is done, so all you need to do is to stir generously. Stir till you get to the consistency that's required, and it's perfect for you. Once this is achieved, you begin to top up with some other things: sugar, milk, our nuts, our soya beans. Yes, plant-based protein. Don't forget, you're keeping it healthy. So you can add any sweetener of your choice. So I'm adding sugar. We'll be adding some soya beans powder. Okay, so this is the brand of choice, which is fortified. That's why I liked it. And of course, you can always pick other options of your choice. And then we have a milk. The best option is liquid. I think I ran short of the stock of the dry. That's why I had to use this one. So yeah, let's chop up with other things. So first of all, we will be adding our sugar or any sweetener of your choice. And then you add your nuts, could be almonds, could be cashew nut, then soya beans powder. And then of course we add our milk, liquid milk. So that's it guys, so stay